Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to move into a new house on InZOi. So first of all, you want to go here and press Edit City button, the second one at the bottom, or press M on your keyboard. After that, you will see the city, and now you will see, for example, I'm living there right there. And now if you want to go ahead and move into your new house, you're going to press on it, just like so, and then press Relocate here, then press OK. And then you will see this. You can go ahead and select to sell the furniture or store furniture. And after that, you're gonna purchase a new house and press OK. If you want to move between families and between houses, you're gonna choose all families here. Then you're gonna choose move ZOIs between families. You're gonna choose a family and just like so and move them. And basically that's how you can manage it. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.